Today we're going to make a healthy version of a pumpkin pie, and everything will go in the blender, so it's super easy. We're going to take our pumpkin. It's a can of pureed pumpkin, or 1 3/4 of a cup. Half a cup of dates. I like to use whole dates. I was running a little low, so I mixed some chopped dates with the whole dates. We have a half a cup of honey. A cup of milk, soy milk or almond milk or whatever your favorite plant milk is. It's a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch, most corn products are actually genetically modified. So if you're looking for one that isn't, I have found some non-GMO cornstarch. If you have trouble finding that, I can put in the comments where I order mine from. All right, we have a half a teaspoon of salt. We have a teaspoon of pure vanilla and 2 teaspoons of the pumpkin pie spice. If you like to make up your own spice blend, that's fine, but I love the flavor from the pumpkin pie spice. We'll just put that on, and now we're gonna blend it up. This is a very high-powered blender. It's a Vitamix, so it can chop through about anything. So if you have a Ninja or one of the high-powered ones, you're gonna be okay. If you're using a regular blender or food processor, you might wanna soak those dates to get them more moistened up before you blend them. So you wanna run it long enough until it's good and creamy. Now, I am experimenting with you today because I'm going to 2 different events, small amount of people, and making several different pies. So I bought these split pie pans. I thought that was a pretty cool idea. And I'm trying something a little bit different. Some of the things that I watched on it, you brought the crust up and over both sides, but I thought that would be an awful lot of crust for the pie. So I'm trying to make it without the crust so that when you cut, it will still look like a regular pie. We'll see how this turns out. So, we'll just pour this in. We're gonna pop this in a preheated oven that was heated to 350, and we're gonna bake it for about 50 minutes. I do like to cover the edges a little bit, either with some foil or with one of the metal rings, just to keep the crust from getting too brown, but it would probably be okay if you didn't get that done. And then we'll have to check it for doneness to make sure it's done. Time to take the pie out of the oven. Looks good. We have 2 half pies. Have to be careful with this pan. It kind of comes apart in pieces. You notice the pumpkin is a little bit darker because the dates make it look a little bit darker.